Asante sana mtoto mzuri kutoka hapo studio na timu nzima ya Watoto Time mkiwa hapo studio nambari 1 kwa neno zuri sana, neno la Mungu. Katika pita zetu bwana, timu kubwa ya Watoto Time leo tukapita Mbezi njia ya Goba. Tukaingia kwenye shule moja inaitwa UB Memorial Courts Daycare. Hii bwana inapokea watoto kuanzia mwaka 1 na 2 ambao ni Tuda class. Alafu kuna miaka 3 mpaka miaka 5. Tukaingia huko ndani tukakutana na vitu vingi vizuri sana. Tuungane kwa pamoja tuone namna gani ambavyo wanatufurahisha, wanatuburudisha na wanatuelimisha kupitia Watoto Time. Tunapewa nguvu kubwa sana na mtu wa Mungu kerubi la mbinguni, kuhani na mwalimu Musa Richard Mwacha wa madhabahu ya Ngome ya Yesu Kristo. Ibada zake ni kila siku ya Jumanne, Ijumaa na Jumapili. Nakukaribisha sana siku ya kesho katika ibada kubwa sana inayoanza saa 12 kamili za asubuhi.
Hello everyone. I'm fine. My name is Imran. I am the Peony class, so be my Memorial. I'm here to talk about our national flag. We have 4 colors. Number 1, green color. Number 2, yellow color. Number 3, black color. Number 4, blue color. Thank you. Hello everyone. I'm fine. My name is Princess. I'm presenting dangerous objects. Laser blade, piece of iron sheep, pin, nails, broken bottle, fire. Hello everyone.
Hello, how are you?
My name is Maureen Roger Charles. I'm here to talk about kitchen utensils. Cup, glass, bowl, knife, fork, plate. Hello everyone. I'm fine. My name is Stephen. I have about Christmas penis, toothbrush, cup of water, toothpaste. Thank you. My name is Patricia. Today I talk about voice. A, ba, da, fa, ga, ha, ya, ka, la, ma, la, pa, la, sa, ta, va, wa, ya, sa. E, be, de, fe, ge, he, ge, ke, le, me, pe, le, se, te, ve, we, ye, ze. I, bi, di, fi, gi, hi, di, ki, li, mi, pi, li, si, ti, wi, yi, zi. O, bo, do, fo, yo, ho, yo, ko, lo, mo, no, po, lo, so, to, vo, wo, yo, zo. U, bu, du, fu, gu, ku, yu, ku, lu, mu, nu, pu, lu, su, tu, vu, wu, lu, zu. My name is Princess. I'm going to count numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Thank you.
It's a good day. Yes. It's a good day. Yes. Ta la 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 la. Ta la 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 la. It's a good day. Yes. It's a good day. Yes. Okay, now we are going to practice sounds. Okay? Letter A sound the A.
Letter A sound the A.
Do like me. Letter A sound the A.
Letter A sound the A.
Letter B sound the boo.
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 Letter C sound the.
Letter C sound the.
Letter C sound the.
Letter C sound the.
Letter D sound the D.
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 Letter E sound the A.
Letter E
Letter E sound the A. Letter F sound the F. Letter F sound the F. Letter G sound the G. Letter G sound the G. Letter H sound the H. Letter H sound the H. Letter I sound the E. Letter I sound the E. Letter J sound the J. Letter J sound the J. Letter K sound the K. Letter K sound the K. Letter L sound the L. Letter L sound the L. Letter M sound the M. Letter N sound the M. Letter N sound the N. Letter N sound the N. Letter O sound the O. Letter O sound the O. Letter P sound the P. Letter P sound the P. Letter Q sound the Qua. Letter Q sound the Qua. Letter R sound the R. Letter R sound the R. Letter S sound the S. Letter S sound the S. Letter T sound the T. Letter T sound the T. Letter U sound the A. Letter U sound the A. Letter V sound the V. Letter V sound the V. Letter W sound the W. Letter W sound the W. Letter X sound the X. Letter X sound the X. Letter Y sound the Y. Letter Y sound the Y. Letter Z sound the Z. Letter Z sound the Z. Everyone, letter Z sound the Z. Okay, well done to me.